We will solve the equation using a fast visual, same base approach. First, read the problem. 16 to the x minus 4 to the x equals 4 to the x. Step 1. Rewrite all terms with base 4. 16 is 4 squared. So replace 16 to the x by open parenthesis 4 squared close parenthesis to the x. Now apply the power of a power rule. Open parenthesis 4 squared close parenthesis to the x equals 4 to the 2x. Step 2. Collect like terms. Move the right hand 4 to the x to the left. That gives 4 to the 2x minus 4 to the x minus another 4 to the x equals 0. Combine the two like terms. Step 3. Factor out 4 to the x. Now use a quick positivity fact. 4 to the x is always greater than 0 for every real x. So the only way the product can be 0 is when the parenthesis equals 0. Set 4 to the x equal to 2. Write both sides as powers of 2. 4 is 2 squared. Apply the power rule to get 2 to the 2x equals 2 to the first. Match exponents. 2x equals 1. Solve for x. Therefore, x equals 1/2.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.